We are going to create a 2-point perspective today. You're going to need a ruler and a pencil. 2-point perspective is going to create a sense of space, like overlapping and size that we've already talked about. This time we're going to make a horizontal line, and remember, whenever we draw, we're always going to use very light lines so that we can erase, and this is no exception. We're going to be erasing these lines as well. So draw a very light line with your ruler or your straight edge over to the other side. On the end of the horizon line, this is the horizon line, you are going to make 2 dots, 1 dot over here, that's one vanishing point, and 1 over here, that's the other vanishing point. Everything in your drawing is either going to go straight up and down, or it's going to go to one of these vanishing points. That is the rule. You either go straight up and down, or you go to the vanishing point. So we're going to draw our corner of our eye, and I'm going to draw it right here. And then the top of my eye, I'm going to draw a line to each vanishing point. So I'm going to go here, made a little dot so I know where my top is, and I'm going to go to each vanishing point. I'm doing my lines a little bit dark just so that you can see them, but you want to make sure that you do these lightly, because you're not going to leave all of these lines. You're not going to need them all. You are going to want to do this so that you know that it lines up with the vanishing point. The bottom, you're going to go from the bottom to the vanishing point, and then over here, you are also going to go to the vanishing point. Okay. Then we need to do a side of our eye. So I'm going to make my eye kind of skinny. I'm going to put my side right here. I'm going to line up the bottom of my paper with my ruler so I know that it's a pretty straight line. And then I'm going to move over here and do the same thing. Okay, I could leave it like that, and that could be an I or an L, but I'm going to make sure that this looks like a lowercase I. So I'm going to extend all of my lines up. I'm going to start with the corner line that's in the middle, and I'm going to put a line up here that's above it. And then I am going to draw a line from the bottom of that to the vanishing point, just like I did with the bottom of the eye. I'm going to do the same thing with the little dot that goes above the eye. The bottom will go to the vanishing point over here, and the top will also go to the vanishing point. Okay, now I need the sides. I'm going to extend this line and this line up through my little dot of my eye. And this one's going to go up too. Okay, we don't need any of these lines, so we could erase this that extends out because these don't need to be there. We can erase this. We can erase this over here in this top line. We do have a problem because we don't have a bottom of our cube at the top, or our dot at the top. So we need to make a bottom for this. This line right here, this little corner right here needs to have a bottom. So we're going to take this corner, instead of going over here, we're going to go to that opposite vanishing point, because remember, it always goes either straight up and down or to a vanishing point. If it's not working at one vanishing point, it may have to go to the other vanishing point. And at those 2 bottoms, we're going to make that line right there that goes to this vanishing point, and this line right here that goes to this vanishing point. And there you have an eye. Right there. You need to erase these lines so that you don't have these extra lines going on. And those can all be erased. If you want to do your shading, which you will, you'll shade here and here and here, and you can even do your cast shadow. Just extend this line right here so it makes a shadow on the ground over here. And we'll do the same thing right here on this corner bottom. And then all of this will be shaded in for your cast shadow, just like we did with our forms in our last project. Okay, and that is your lowercase I. All right,